Sirius XM, Countdown with Fred Harrison. This song featured in the Netflix movie To All the P.S. I Still Love You from 26-year-old singer-songwriter Ash, who says this song was inspired by her parents' divorce. Number 38, moral of the story.
I'm free. We can really do this. Really are the sports. I'm free. Talking with my voice, she said, where'd you find this guy? The young people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. From the stage and maybe that's all. It's okay if you think that you're alright. When you really just don't know. From the stage and maybe that's alright. That's okay. In the end, it's all okay. Moral of the story, babe. Remember how we painted the house just like adventures? So romantic, but we fought the whole time. Should have seen the signs. I was talking with my mother. She said, where'd you find this guy? Said some people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. That's the moral.